Style up. Let's hear them sing. I want to hear them sing. Aditya, let them sing. Let them sing. Yeah, yeah. Give them a beat. Give them a beat. Give them a beat. Come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Everybody. Everybody. मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल, एक आधी पड़ी नॉवेल, एक लड़की का फोन नंबर, मेरे काम का एक पेपर, मेरे हाथ से ताश का किंग, मेरा एक चांदी का रिंग, पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया, कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया. प्रेजेंट मिली एक घड़ी, प्यारी थी मुझे बड़ी, ना 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 ना. जीन का एक पैकेट, मेरी डेनिम की जैकेट, ना 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 ना. What's happening? मेरे हाथ में ताश का किंग, मेरा एक चांदी का रिंग, पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया, कभी खुद. Yeah. कैसे भूलूं सातवां जो दिन आया, किसी ने तुमसे एक पार्टी में मिलवाया, कैसा पल था जिस पल मैंने तुमको पहली बार देखा था, हम जो मिले पहली बार, ले जाना क्या है प्यार, होश भी खोया, दिल भी खोया, कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया. मैंने पिछले 7 दिनों में ये सब है खोया. Yeah.
You, other than singing, you have also acted on Rock On, right?
Yeah.
So your experience about Rock On.
First of all, that role that happened, I actually went there to sing that song, which I did in the movie. And it was just another recording as far as I was concerned. Normally when you get called to a studio, everything is ready, okay? The song is already done, the music is already done. This time when I went there, so I said like, where's the song? I mean, what's the song? Shankar said, let's make a song, So, and the whole band was there. The drum kit was set up and everything. Shankar gave me the mic and said, sing whatever you want. It was a very spontaneous thing that happened.
So on spot you did that?
Yeah. The lyrics were done later, but the whole melody line was completely mine. I just made up whatever came to my mind and I just sang it. In fact, they even credited me for that, co-composed. If you see the CD, they even mentioned that it's co-composed by me, which was great. So that's how the song happened. Then I went, once Javed Saab had written the lyrics, I went to sing the song. So all of them were there, Farhan and Javed Saab and Shankar Ehsaan Loy, all of them were there. And I was singing it. And Gattu, the director, Abhishek Kapoor, he was also there.
That time also you are not aware you have to act on rock
No,
on.
neither were they. I mean, when I started singing it, I was like, when I sing, I get into the song, you know. So I was like literally going for it. I mean, singing it and enjoying it and whatever. So they saw me singing it. It was almost like a performance, you know. So when I came out of the vocal booth, this guy Abhishek, he asked me whether I'd like to try out for the role. So I said, okay. I mean, to me, what I thought would happen was, you know, you go up, you do the song, you perform the song in the movie. I mean, that was easy for me to do because I've done videos and also it's not a big deal to perform the song. I said, okay, I'll do it. So then when I went for the audition, they gave me one paper in my hand and said...
with dialogues.
Yeah, with dialogues and things like that. So, man, I said like, oh, there are some... They said like, yeah, there's these few lines. I said, okay. So did the audition and that's how it happened. I got the role. And it was pretty intimidating, actually, the whole experience. I mean, the performance part was very easy. I mean, we had a ball doing that. In fact, my whole band was there. And another funny thing that happened was Arjun was being taught by my guitarist,
Okay.
Chandresh, and Purab was being taught by my drummer. And both of them are there in the movie. In fact, the bassist who's playing with me in today's show also is there in Rock On. But the thing is, for me to do that scene was not easy at all. You know, that one scene where, you know, I'm in the office, I'm supposed to be this big CEO of some Channel V and or whatever, and, you know, I'm sitting there and suddenly these guys are walking in and I'm supposed to be the big guy and these guys are coming to me to get a break again and in a competition and things like that. And I was so intimidated by, you know, doing that. First of all, I had to speak and I had to do all those roles, I mean, you know, dialogues and things like that and act like a big shot, you know. I think we did it in 2 takes or something, it was done. And I was like wondering, man, are they going to keep this thing or no? You know, because they shot it so fast. But then it worked out. I mean, it was there. I mean, it was an integral part of the movie. And another thing is I didn't know what the movie was about because I didn't read the script or anything.